Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain about how to add music on CapCut. In this I'll explain 4 tutorials for how to add music on CapCut feature. I'll explain the first one tutorial is how to add background music in CapCut. I'll explain 4 tutorials. Please keep watching this video. First one is how to add background music in CapCut. I will cover first how to put music in CapCut, but has been provided for free for you to use as a background. For this, first step is open the CapCut app on your Android smartphone and create a new project. Add video or photo to which you will add music. Open the audio menu at the bottom. Select and tap the sounds option. Select an existing music category in the CapCut tab. You can choose between rock, travel, vlog, fresh, healing or warm. Select one of the CapCut music you want to use, then tap the download button next to it. After the music is downloaded, the download button will change to a plus button. Tap the button and add music as a video background. How to add music in CapCut as a background or background video is finished. Now I will explain another tutorial. Another tutorial called how to search upload music to CapCut. I will exemplify how to search music in CapCut and how to upload music to CapCut stored on the device. For this, first step is make sure you have inserted the video or photo that will begin given the music that you have prepared to the gallery. Open the audio menu and select the sounds option as in the first tutorial. Tap the your sounds menu session and select from device to search music in CapCut. After that, find the music you have prepared in the gallery, then tap the plus button next to it, upload music in CapCut. How to add your own music in CapCut is complete. Now I will explain how to extract audio in CapCut. Here I am going to explain how to extract audio in CapCut. In the audio or music you want to add the background of video, then you can extract the audio in CapCut by the following this video. For this, first step is as usual, open the audio menu at the bottom. This time select the extracted option. After that, find and select the video you want to extract sound from. Tap the import sound only on button. Here how to extract audio from video in CapCut is done. Now I'll explain the another tutorial. Please keep watch on this video. Another one is how to voice over in CapCut. The last tutorial you can also record your voice as a video narrator using the CapCut feature called voice over. Learn and practice how to voice over in CapCut in this video. For this, first step is as with the previous 3 tutorials, open the audio menu first. Select and tap the voice over option. Press and hold the recorder key to start recording your voice. If this permission pop-up appears, tap allow so you can immediately voice over. Start talking while holding down the recorder button. Release the recording button when you are finished speaking. How to voice over in CapCut is complete. Finally, tap the tick button so you can edit it. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this video is helpful. It's really helpful. Please subscribe my channel, like this video, share this video, and please comment below.